Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can run a PHP file on localhost by using XAMPP. So if you are looking for a way to run a PHP file on your localhost, you can use this application on your PC. Once you have it installed and open, we can click on Explorer over here in order to open the folder of this application. And then we need to go to HD docs. This is a folder where we can pretty much create many different websites. We can have many different instances of websites, let's say, and we can create a new folder and name it like our PHP, just like a temporary name. Of course, you can name it how you want. Inside that folder, we can create the PHP file. We can drag and drop it into this folder, or we can create it right now. So I'm gonna create a new text document. And right now I'm just gonna leave it as it is without changing the name. I'm gonna open it. And now in this text file, I'm gonna enter the PHP code, a really simple one, like a hello world. After we have our PHP file or the content of the PHP file ready, we can save our file. I will save it as, so I will create another file, but this time with the PHP extension. If you have extensions visible in your Explorer, then of course you can just rename and change the txt into PHP. So I'm gonna save it as this time, and I'm gonna name it like hello, and then the type I'm gonna switch to all files and add .php, and let's save it. So like I said, you can either do this and create your own PHP source file, or you can simply use a custom one and then drag and drop it into a folder that you created. So I'm gonna remove this one as I don't need this one anymore. I have my PHP file, and now how we can run it. We're gonna open the browser, and then in the browser, in the search bar, we can type localhost / and then we want to use the name of the folder that we created. So in my case, it is our PHP. So let's type our PHP, and over here we will find our PHP script. So let's click, and as you can see, now it works. And of course, if we want to, we can now customize the script in the meantime. So let's say I can change the text and just type like subscribe. Let's save it, and now if I refresh it, then it will be refreshed as well. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.